Welcome back. This is my another video on taps and dies. This is Free Threads YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. So today's video we are going to tap. We are going to tap these threads so that we make them a bit straight, because as you are seeing they're a bit like stunted, so we are going to make them sharp. So in this process I'm going to use a 12. This is 12 times 125. 125 is the pitch of the thread, so 12 millimeter is the size of this bolt, like the circumference of this bolt. So we can measure the circumference using this vernier caliper. This is a vernier caliper. So you first get a bolt. So after getting the bolt, you bring this, you measure the circumference. So as you are seeing, the circumference, there are 12 sticks. If you try to count from 0, so you will see that where, so let me rock this one. So if you try to use this vernier caliper, if you try to count from this 0, as you are seeing from 0, so if you try to count 1 2 3 4 up to this 0 here, you will see that there are 12 lines, so each line from 0 to another line, that is a 1 millimeter. So from 0 to the third to the second one, that is 2 millimeters. So up here it's 12 millimeter, because these lines, they are 12 from 0 up to here, up to this 0 here, so they are 12. So in that means that this bolt is of 12 millimeter. So we are going to tap and to make these threads a bit sharp using a 12 millimeter die. The die will be of the pitch of the thread should be 125. So as you are seeing, this is a 12 times 125. So let's jump into that video. I'm going to take you outside and on my voice, and try to rethread these threads on the bolt. So let's go into that video. So you have to make sure that you are straight, so like this.
So as you are seeing,
so you tap till the end. So let's see what we have done. Now the threads are a bit quite good and they are sharp. You are seeing now the threads are sharp after cutting. So we can test with this nut, but I'm not sure whether the nut is quite good, because I'm seeing inside some dust, but now the nut can tie, as you are seeing. So rethreading, or it's like tapping the bolt. So that was how to tap the bolt.